Hey everyone, I'm coming to you from my beautiful house today with our announcements for week 3 in our Math and Logic course. Before I get to the assignments, I do want to go through a couple questions that I had from students this week. So the first question, can I work ahead? Yes, you can absolutely work ahead. Everything for the course is already there, set up. Once you completed all the assignments, you can be done. I'm happy to when I'm caught up with other grading, catch up and grade you to where you're at so you know how you're doing and all those things. So, yes, you can work ahead. Another question, I didn't do very well on a homework assignment. What should I do? So, remember, you can always redo every question in a homework assignment. And I want you to do those to the point where you feel comfortable with the material. Um, you could get 100% on every homework assignment as long as you have the time and energy to do that. All right. Next question. I'm not understanding a topic. Can I get a tutor? So, a lot of our tutors are much better algebra students than they are math and logic. So, math and logic is kind of this weird stuff. You may not have ever done anything with sets before, and the next few topics are similar. So, if a tutor hasn't seen that stuff, they aren't as likely to be able to help you. Certainly not as I am. So, if you want a tutor instead, why don't you set up a time to meet with me and we can talk, we can go through questions, or you can come to one of my office hours. I'm happy to meet either on campus or virtually. So those are options for you. And I think that's a little better than going for a tutor. The last question I got is like, where can I see if I missed any assignments? So the best place to do that is actually in our course under the grades link. That's going to show all the assignments more or less in order. And so hopefully it'll be obvious if you missed one. So far, every assignment that's been due has been located in Unit 1. So if you notice you're missing one in grades, you should be able to find it there in Unit 1. Okay, if you have other questions or need any other information, just let me know. Shoot me an email. Back to this week, we're continuing our work with sets, and I want you to learn about 3 set operations that complement the union and the intersection. That's covered in sections 2.3 and 2.4, so those are the homeworks for the week. Venn diagrams are also in those sections. Since we haven't done anything with problem solving for a week, basically 2 weeks since the first week, I also want you to review the heuristic list, which is near the top of every unit, and then take the heuristic quiz. You can do that quiz as many times as you want, and only your best score will count. It's worth 3% of your overall grade, so it's probably worth putting in that extra time to get a good score on it. All that stuff is due Tuesday, September 17th at 11:59 p.m., and reach out if you've got any questions. Thanks, everyone, and have a good week.